So I recently just moved to Alaska, and the house that we're renting in right now until we find a place doesn't have a garage or a workshop. And so I thought, man, that's kind of a problem. I need some place to be able to do woodworking and do my projects and things. And so the trailer that we actually moved up in, this enclosed trailer here, I'm just like, man, I can just transform this into a workshop. And so what I'm going to do here, just kind of show you a time-lapse video of me transforming this into my workshop. And one of the first things I wanted to do or needed to do was build kind of a loft area to store some of our stuff and keep some things out of the way that I can do some working down below. And so I made it high enough that it'll have about a 6-foot 6-inch ceiling, but also enough room up above it that I can store things as well. And but I hope you enjoy this video of me transforming this enclosed trailer into a workshop, and hope you learn something from it. Alright, so I just got done plugging in the extension cord. Now comes the moment of truth. I'm gonna plug this in, make sure the lights work, and start using this as a workshop. So right here I have it set up. I just put in a typical 110 outlet here that I can just plug right into with any kind of extension cord. Plug it in, and we've got lights. Nice and bright in here, and excuse the mess here. Just trying to get my electrical done and storage area done up there that we can start moving stuff around and start transforming this into a workshop. I got my outlets there. I'll have a work area underneath here with the lights there and a couple outlet boxes, one there, one here, and then this one here, USB, can long time to charge my phone or camera. But it works out great for just a real simple workshop when I don't have access to a garage or an actual building right now, and it can go with me, so that's always kind of nice. Kind of small, but plenty of room to do what I would need to do.
With the prices of lumber right now, I'm just going to be using 2x2s and a 1x3 to be able to make these benches here. And I'm just going to build them in place, and again, try to make it as light as possible, and well, with prices as cheap as possible as well. Now I got this top on here, got the perfect spot for my CNC machine, which I'll hopefully be making more videos of some cutouts I'll be doing soon. Now the not so fun part of cleaning and slowly organizing and getting everything put to where it's supposed to be.
Now, I still have a little bit of organizing to do, but soon I'll be making a video about a kind of a movable workbench I'll put in here for my table saw. But check back soon, and hopefully you can find a project that's affordable for your backyard as well.